Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you about how to prepare TNT. First of all, we need to consider about the structure of TNT. We know TNT is comprises with benzene and CH3 and 3 NO2 groups. Then you can see the structure of TNT. Then this one is known as 2,4,6 trinitrotoluene. Now we need to consider about how to prepare TNT in laboratory process. There are two stages of this process. First of all, we need to react toluene with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 acid. Then we will have this product. This one is known as mononitrotoluene. Thereafter, we need to react this mononitrotoluene with same concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Also, this mononitrotoluene can be simply called as MNT. Thereafter, we need to make DNT, that means dinitrotoluene. Then you can see, now I am drawing the structure of dinitrotoluene. Then toluene is assigned with two NO2 groups like this. This one is known as dinitrotoluene, that means DNT. Also, in this first step and second step, we need to cooling down the temperature, and we need to maintain the temperature very carefully, because these two reactions are exothermic reactions. In the two steps of this mechanism, the first step and two step, we need to carefully cool down the temperature. Now we need to make DNT. Now we need to separately obtain DNT, that means dinitrotoluene. For that purpose, we have to react DNT and MNT mixture and other mixtures. That means this mixture is comprises with nitrogen oxide. We need to react this mixture with sodium bicarbonate. The purpose of this reaction is to remove all the nitric oxides from this mixture. I will show you the reaction. DNT is reacted with sodium carbonate, and this reaction will give very pure DNT. And the purpose of this reaction is to remove all the oxides of nitrogen that should be memorized in your mind. Thereafter, making pure DNT, we need to make TNT using pure DNT. I will show you the reaction of that process. In that stage, we need to react DNT with fuming nitric acid with concentrated H2SO4. I will show you the reaction. DNT is reacted with fuming nitric acid like this in concentrated H2SO4 medium, and this reaction will create TNT. This is the product of this reaction. TNT is producing. Then we need to purely obtain TNT. Generally, at the end of the nitration process of toluene, we need to have an heated steam bath to separately obtain TNT. The purpose of this stage is to get TNT. As the second part of this video, we need to make TNT in industrial process. Basically, this process is comprises with three stages. First of all, we need to react toluene with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 medium. Then this reaction will make MNT, that means mononitrotoluene. This is the structure of MNT, you know, as I said earlier. After making MNT, we need to react MNT product with same concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 to make DNT. This is the structure of DNT. You know the structure of DNT already. Thereafter, this DNT product is renitrated with anhydrous mixture of nitric acid and oleum. I will show you the reaction. You need to use anhydrous HNO3 and oleum. Oleum structure is H2S2O7, and this reaction will create TNT. After making this TNT, we need to use sulfitation process. The purpose of this sulfitation process is to remove all the other isomers and undesired reaction products. Also, the second purpose of this sulfitation process is to a stabilization of TNT. I will show you this mechanism in a reaction. We need to use curd. TNT is treated with sodium sulfide. The purpose of using sodium sulfide is to remove less isomers of toluene and to remove all the undesired product which occurred in this mechanism. In this mechanism, we need to memorize two very significant facts. First one is rinse water from the sulfitation process is called red water. That is the very pollutant product of this TNT manufacturing process. Second process is also the second fact of this mechanism is very important to control the nitrogen oxide in feed nitric acid, because NO2 can be changed the oxidation state of methyl groups of toluene. So we need to be aware and we need to be interested about these two facts when we are going to manufacture TNT in industrial.